250 thou. Right, that's better, no wasted space at all. Right, the next thing is to screw this on with that drain at the bottom, but it's going to be fully tightened up onto that face. We found a copper washer, and if we're lucky, that'll do the job. We're not very lucky, are we? It's perfectly wrong, it will go around to be that way, it's got to go half a turn. So basically, if I measure that gap with a feeler gauge and take a little bit off, or put a little bit on, machine it, the washer, aluminium will do. It's not far away there, so I'll measure them and add probably 5 thou on. It's going to get somewhere near. Which I could just add all them together, but it's easier just to 70 thou. So if I make a washer 75 out of aluminium, it should crush down enough to let that go the extra 5 thou more on there. I'll put a 5 thou one in, I've got one. Right, that's 5 thou more. That's to there. So with the big spanner on, that should come up quite nicely. That's going to go just about there. Just put some sealer on the threads. Now you might say they didn't have this when they built Sentinels. Well, I can assure you if I had it, they only used it. Slightly past, very slightly. I think that'll be more than adequate. And I can use one of the other 3 washers I've made to seal that one. Use a thin one. That's not going to give any problems, that's for certain. The thread's certainly on slack. It's gone very, very slightly past on that top one. I mean, making another washer just a couple of thou thicker, just to take up that little bit, just to make it perfect. That's the difference, 5 thou mate on that washer. Perfect though. Excellent. I need to make a seal washer for around there now. That's the actual filter goes inside it. Nice washer on there as well now. Excellent, that's the job done basically. That's actually a drain valve that lets the water out. There's a bronze seat on that valve. Actually that was leaking. Might have a look in there and see if we can do something with that. Dear God, that's tight. I'll put that in there and mend it. The seat's not very good, it's nasty mark on it there. It wasn't pissing out, it was just leaking. It'll do no harm at all to reface that seat. I can't really cut that one down there, but I can certainly machine this one. And that handle just knocks off and that screws out of there. As you can see, that nasty mark on it there. Just clean the paint off these threads on the wire wheel and that should screw out of there. This has got two flats on the valve face there. Bastard. You can put it in the lathe and remachine that face there. You see there where it's quite badly pitted there. That's where it'll have been leaking. Also seals on that face there when it's fully open. I need to measure the angle of that seat. It looks like 60 degrees. It probably is 60 degrees. It is 60 degrees. I'll move the camera so I can see the reading, and I'll move the you can see that. It's a nice tool. It's got a built-in magnifying glass so you can see what you're doing and actually read this when the glasses on. It's really good. Anyway, we've got an angle there 60 degrees from that face, or 30 degrees from that face, depending on how you want to look at it. So we can set this up in the lathe and just whisper that face there. There's a nasty mark on it there. I'll turn it nice and slow and you can see the that's it there. There's actually a mark right across there, you can feel it. We'll put a nice light cut across there just to clean it up. It's still got a mark on it. It's a lot better. Just speed it up, get a better finish on it. That's nice. The valve simply screws back together. There's also a face on there and a face on there. They seal as well when the valve's fully open. And that screws into there. Like that. And that'll go into there with the valve fully open, and that would stop any steam coming up the threads and out through there. Valve just screws into there. A little bit of thread sealer on it. Puts it home. Bastard. It screws down and it's on the seat, that's it. Just giving the paint a quick buff up on the wire wheel. The end's quite interesting the way the end's formed. It's a steel ferrule on there, and then the copper pipe is actually flared over or flanged over. This will be annealed nice and soft and then formed to that shape there. This pipe's only a low pressure water feed pipe, but high pressure steam's done the same way. So we've got a nice flat copper face there. And you've got your big union which pulls it up. This is the union we modified with the flat face. So there you go, face to face. Nothing to go wrong, nothing to leak. Copper's nice and soft, so any irregularities in that face will be taken up by the nice soft copper tube. And that must be 4mm thick, the wall thickness on that, at least 4mm.
Perfect.
You right?
The spoiler clack's perfect on this side.
Good.
Yep, so I thought.
Oh, look at that one.
What?
Perfect.
Just, alright.
Oh, no, perfect.
Is the pipe one alright?
Perfect.
There's a clip there.
Clips here. Perfect, that.
Check.
Not near enough. Perfect. I wouldn't hit without taking that union down, like.
You what?
I would have hit without taking that union down.
Yeah. How much air gap was between that and the body?
Half an inch.
Crap, perfect.
What do I tell Stuart?
That'll go on as you get on the roof.
Straight do with that.
First fire 2016. Green. And the wall.
It's come to life, isn't it?
It is.
That's the copper bottle that Derek kindly gave us from Tanfield Metal Spinners. Like I say, what I'll do, I'll put his videos together with a bit of video I shot after the night caps. These are today's car boot sale items. A nice lathe tool there. I'm sure I've got tips that will fit this one. It's actually too thick for my tool holders, so I'll probably machine some off top and bottom, or I'll make a bigger tool holder. The box of Doma taps here, 6mm. First, second and third tap, quite a nice set. There's also a little box of taps. M8, 8mm. Once again, first, second and third. Nice set of taps. It's a carburetor stone there. It's actually got a steel back on that one, which is handy because they're often easy to break. In total I paid £5 for all those items, so that was quite a good buy. In the next car boot sale I bought this. I think it's possibly a diamond impregnated lapping wheel. It's certainly a grinding wheel of some description. It has got some numbers on the back, but no actual maker's name. I'll do a little bit of research and find out what that is. It's certainly been used, but it hasn't been hard used. There's some little ridge marks in there. This is the last thing I bought. I know people are wary of using second-hand grinding wheels, but this one's never been on. The guy that had it said it had been lying in his garage for years unused. There's an easy way or a quick way to test a grinding wheel. If you rest it on one finger and you ring it, tap it like that, it's got a nice clean ring to it. If it sounds dull like that, the wheel's cracked. That sounds alright. Obviously I'll mount it and I'll be very careful when I first start it up. Once again, it just remains to be said, thanks very much for watching, for clicking the like button, and a special thanks for all the well wishers that have come in towards there and are still coming in. Thanks very much. for all the kind wishes that are coming in. For all the kind wishes that are coming in. You knob end. Once again, it just remains to be... Oh. How are you?